with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my brand new 2023 December Documented Mini Book Project Kit. So first we will take a look at what I did with the kit, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit in detail. I have included a link in the description box of the video down below to purchase the project kit. I have also included a couple of additional links in the description box of the video down below. One is a link to a playlist of my past year's December documented mini book project kit. So I have been doing this project now. This will be the 16th year I've done this type of project, and this will be the 9th year that I have offered a project kit. All right, so we are working with a super hefty 2-inch ring binder from Simple Stories. So it leaves you plenty of room to add all of your photos and stories and journaling and memorabilia and so forth once December arrives. So we've added a nice little accent here on the metal book plate. So a little wooden circle, a jingle bell, and then a star die cut. Beautiful canvas tree ribbon here on the front, doing some fussy cutting to create the cover, and then a few fun die cuts. So a heart, a vellum gold foil, and then a little acetate gold snowflake up there. Now I have added a couple of different stickles colors throughout the project kit. So I have linked in the description box down below as well to some add-on bundles that I have available this year. So stickles, some gel pens, some different product and so forth. All right. So as we continue, you have a little space here for your little countdown, and then also that is a side pocket, so you can add photos and memorabilia, Christmas cards, whatever you'd like. One of my favorite ways to start the project every year is with a 2x2, kind of a see-through pocket page here. So it gives you lots of opportunity to add lots of fun little bits and things, and then you have that wonderful see-through just to kind of see what's coming. You can add pages, obviously, as needed as you are then documenting your December, when December starts. All right, so I'm using some wonderful products from Simple Stories in this project kit. The super popular Simple Vintage Dear Santa, which is a little bit more of the kind of vintagey, kitschy looking product that you see. And I paired that with Boho Christmas from Simple Stories, and then a few other fun things mixed in. So lots of interactive. One of my favorite things when I'm putting together mini book project kits is to do lots of interactive type pages. And so in the 4-hour class that accompanies the project kit, I am actually making the project with you. So step by step, I am working right along with you, and I am showing you how to make some of those fun things. Using the number bits from Boho Christmas to identify each of the days, 1 through 25 to December. Now, those number bits, I've designed the project that you don't have to use those. So if you did not want to do a story every day, 1st to the 25th of December, then you could just omit the little numbers. This is a fun little one, kind of a little bag here that you can add lists and photos, memorabilia, what have you. As we continue, you'll see more of those little see-throughs. Like I said, I just love those little kind of see-through effects. Using the puffy stickers, excuse me, not the puffy stickers, the foam stickers from Boho Christmas. And I just love how they give a really nice kind of dimensional touch to the project. Also using the goodie bag from Vicki Boutin's Peppermint Kisses collection this year. Really fun acetate and vellum and die cuts and so forth. So here we have another kind of peekaboo page. As we continue, different interactive elements where things open and close and lift up, and room for, tons and tons and tons, so many photos, so many photos. Little things like this that clip right into pages, little pockets that we're creating. So lots of room for telling your stories throughout the month of December. Showing your decorations as you're decorating for the holidays. A nice little pocket here, so those things can come in and out. These could be Christmas lists, they could be list to Santa, they could be wish lists, what have you. So going right there in that fun little pocket. Another little see-through. So with a see-through like this, that is a full 6x8 pocket page. So you could add things to that, photos, memorabilia, journaling, what have you, or you could just leave it as a nice little see-through. Like I said, I love those little see-throughs. This one actually gives you room for 10 photos. So you are folding out like this, and then folding back out like that. Even room for journaling if you'd like. And then the same thing happens here with this little guy down below. Room for your photos, and then more photos and journaling or photo if you like. So that one little page, you have room for 10, you have room for 10 different photos there at least. Another little pocket here. So this is part of the album actually. And this is a great one, I think, for adding maybe some of the Christmas cards that you're receiving in the mail throughout the month of December. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful paper from Simple Vintage Dear Santa. Added quite a bit of stickles kind of on there just to add a little bit of fun to that. Another little see-through with our Santa. This one has a number of different interactives going on. So this piece actually sits inside of a 6x8 pocket page. So that piece lifts up, and then this piece here lifts open. Room for lots of photos. That's what it's all about. The photos and the stories during the month of December. All right, we're getting close to the big day. Here we have the 25th, so another pocket. Room for lots and lots and lots of photos and stories on the 25th. So you have there, and you have this area here, and then you even have the back side of that as well. And there's one even extra page I didn't even decorate that you could do whatever you'd like with. So that is the completed project. Let's take a look at the contents of the kit. This kit has so much product in it, excuse me. So starting out with this 2-inch hickory album from Simple Stories, so 2-inch rings. The insides here are roughly 6x8, so that'll kind of give you a feel that's probably a little bit closer to maybe 8x10-ish. The contents of the album itself includes 2 each of 4 different kind of office, pretty plain, pages there. Those are great backgrounds. Then you also have that pocket that we looked at. And then you have 10 different pocket pages. So a mixture of 3x4s, 4x6s, 6x8s, mixture of 3x4, 4x6s, and so forth. All of that same size. So that is a great base for the album. Then as we continue, you have the color step-by-step instructions. So including, oh my goodness, I've left my last page. Oh, there it is. Including your cutting diagrams. And then this year I've also put together, based on quite a few requests, an idea sheet. So on the left here, a list of December photo prompts. So if you are looking for things to take photos of, you're kind of drawing a blank. I've given you 25 there, the 1st to the 25th. And then many different ideas here. If you're ever drawing a blank on the stories that you want to tell during the month of December, especially if maybe you don't necessarily have something going on a particular day, ideas that you can pull from, maybe favorite memories, traditions, so many different things in that document. All right, continuing on with the kit, you have a little baggie that has loads of little fun things in it. You have 2 different wood circles, and those will vary by kit. They've been split up from a larger package, so using one on the spine and using one for December 1st. You have a yard of that canvas Christmas tree ribbon, a yard of twine, 2 different paper clips, 3 different paper clips actually. There is a little gold Christmas tree. You have a ticket, and then still left in the back, you have your Jingle Bell, your DEC for December paper clip, and that fun little smaller star paper clip. All right, continuing right along, you have one of my exclusive stamps. I designed this specifically for the project kit this year. So this is a 3x4 word strip stamp set, and I used those in a couple of different places throughout the project. During class, we'll talk about masking. We'll go through some fun ideas on how you can create your own background cards by using a stamp or multiple stamps for masking. So that is a really fun stamp there, 3x4 size. That is currently exclusive to the kit. That will be available probably come November-ish on my website. You have a package of 62 mittens and mistletoe enamel dots. So stars and snowflakes and things like that. These blend very well with both Dear Santa and Boho Christmas collections that I used. You have the number bits, so numbers 1 through 31. So if you wanted to continue out through 31 days of December, you have the numbers to do so. I stopped at 25, but it's up to you. You will have some extra product left over if you wanted to continue through. This is the goodie bag from Vicki Boutin's Peppermint Kisses collection. So 45 pieces. You have a mixture of acetate die cuts, vellum pieces, and then your cardstock die cuts. And you have gold foil accents throughout that package. I used quite a few of those. You have the Boho Christmas foam stickers. So 23 foam stickers, 2 sheets. So 6 by 12 here, and then 6 by 12 there. I think I used maybe all but one of these. I loved these so much in the project. And then you have a 2 by 2 pocket page. That's what I started day 1 with. You have a large doily, that craft bag that we took a look at for the day 7. Then moving into kind of your 12 by 12 pieces, you have the 12 by 12 Boho Christmas cardstock sticker sheet. You have the simple vintage Dear Santa cardstock sticker sheet. And then you have 11 different 12 by 12 papers from several different collections. So you have this wonderful simple vintage, this one is called Ho Ho Ho, that we're using part of on our cover. Just a nice, really great basic green on the back side there. Another Dear Santa paper, those labels, and I loved this slide so much. That's just black on white, merry and bright word paper. You have the combination 2 by 2 and 4 by 4 elements or cut aparts. So you have 4 by 4 cards and then 12 little 2 by 2 cards, which are really great for stuffing in those little 2 by 2 pockets. You have the Holly Jolly paper, and I loved this one so much as well, with that beautiful kind of poinsettia and arrangement there in the lower right-hand corner. You have the Dear Santa 4 by 6 elements or cut aparts, and that beautiful holly on the back side, holly and berries. You have Jingle Bells. So this is a kind of a mixture of a patchwork pattern and then that really fun kind of random polka dot on the back side. And then we move into the Boho Christmas papers. So the 4 by 6 elements, again, the cut aparts, and little kind of fun scattered multicolored snowflake dot on the back. Kind of reminds me of falling snow, snowflakes. This is one of my favorites, just that beautiful floral, and then a nice little, this one definitely looks like snow, little, snow falling, the red and white. You have the fun Christmas trees, the Holly Jolly vibes with a super neutral kind of tone-on-tone checkered pattern on the back. You have the journal elements, so these cut aparts that we'll use quite a few of, and then that beautiful kind of ivy pattern on the back. The 3 by 4 cut aparts or 3 by 4 elements with the fa la 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 on the back. And last but not least, we have the Holiday Life, one paper from Holiday Life. I love this one so much, kind of that black with the floral, and then those beautiful birds, kind of that black and white line art there on the back. So the project kit is shipping mid-September. Actually, it's done. It's all done. So it's probably shipping about the 11th or the 13th, depending on, we're kind of still in the process of kitting everything. There are many, many, many kits to put together. So as I mentioned, I have included a link in the description box of the video down below. I think the thing I forgot to mention, in addition to, the project kit and everything you see, there is a 4+ hour live class on YouTube where I work on the project together with you step by step. So we're building the project together, and you have access to that class, that video, as long as YouTube is around. So hopefully for many, many, many years. And that if you can't make the live class, then you can watch that replay at any time, as many times as you need. Okay, friends, again, link in the description box of the video down below to purchase that kit. If you have any questions, either go ahead and leave a comment on the video or go to my website at laelbymail.com and click on Contact Us. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.